Hello, I'm Jerry McKee, your weatherman, WKRP, in Buffalo. That's right. The blizzard Edna is over, but there still is a state of emergency. Walmart is closed in Union, and Gene Fine Food is closed. This is a state of emergency, but the highs today, let's see, 80 degrees. Get out your swim trunks. Let's go swimming. So now the blizzard's over. Now we get back to normal in South Carolina. But don't go to buy low. There's been fights breaking out. There's been hundreds of people there. There's one loaf of bread and one milk left. I'm trying to get the message out. The blizzard is over. So everybody, enjoy the hot weather. This is Jerry McKee, WKRP in Buffalo.